Green flag, and we're racing. And it's going to be DJ Smith to try to get out to the early lead. Driver X going with them. Yellow flag out. We didn't like that start. So didn't like that. Got to get the lineup figured out. And then we'll get back to racing. So not one lap complete. So our pastor, Patrick Featherston, is a pastor of the Firstborn Reach of Byron, Illinois. So if you want to see Pastor Patrick Featherston, late model driver slash church preacher there, you can go to his church and listen to him tomorrow for the service. I'm sure he's there. That's pretty cool. I've never seen a pastor race a late model. That's just awesome. All right, so lights are still on the car corner pace truck. They're going to bring the group around. Everybody looks like they're where they need to be now. All right, lights on the car corner pace car is out. They're going to pick up speed. Here they come. Green flag, and we're racing. And we're back off to the races. It's going to be DJ Smith to try to get out to the early lead away from the pastor, followed by driver X. Here comes Michael Bilderback right with the top guys. Reynolds looking to the inside of Smith right away as these two really battled it off 2 weeks ago. That was a great race between driver X and DJ Smith. If you were here, you know what I'm talking about. DJ Smith trying to hold his line there. Reynolds went to look to challenge. Here comes Max Kaler to challenge Michael Bilderback. Reynolds to the inside of Smith now. Kaler looking to take away third place from Michael Bilderback. That's our fast qualifier in that 17 car. As he's going to try to grab third. Oh, he does. Michael Bilderback may have just let off it a little bit to let him go by, maybe trying to get that 2 car figured out. Right now, DJ Smith is your leader. We're getting near the halfway point. Driver X with a very fast 10 car, or X car, I should say, as he's right there to keep the pressure on DJ Smith. And now Max Kaler, your fast qualifier, challenging driver X for second place. That's a Belvedere North High School football player, plays linebacker. Now he's racing cars. 6 down, 4 to go for DJ Smith. Everybody else kind of single file. Now Michael Bilderback starts to look to the inside of the 17 of Max Kaler. 8 down, 2 to go. This time by for D. Smith. Rockford Speedway. This is going to be a very interesting feature tonight. You can see what's going on in this race. You saw what's going on in the last race. White flag out for DJ Smith. Coming around here, white flag. It's going to be the winner. Let's find out who's going to win this race. It's DJ Smith Jr. Second place for driver X. Third place for Kaler. Fourth for Bilderback. So third place goes to Max Kaler. Fourth to Michael Bilderback. Fifth to Jake Van Oskey. And sixth goes to the pastor, Patrick Featherston.